appear in your videos, including skippable ads. Viewers can skip these ads after. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Ayaz Tech. Today I am told you about how we can earn from YouTube. Earning through a YouTube channel has become a viable career option for many content creation worldwide. Here's our detailed overview of how you can monetize YouTube channel. Enable monetization. To start earning from your YouTube channel, you need to be eligible for YouTube partner program. This program allows you to monetize your videos through advertisement. To equally, your channel must have at least 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch time in the past 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for monetization through the YouTube Studio dashboard. Google AdSense. After your channel is approved for monetization, you can enable Google AdSense, which is Google's advertisement platform. AdSense allow you to earn revenue based on factors like ad impressions, clicks, and viewers engagement. YouTube manage the ad placement and you receive share the revenue generated from ads shown on your videos. Ad format. Next one is ad format. There are different type of ad that can appear in your videos, including skippable ads. Viewers can skip these ads after 5 seconds. You earn revenue if the viewer watches the at least 30 seconds of the ad or engage with it. Next one is non-skippable ads. These ads must be watched in their entirely before viewer can proceed to watch your video. You earn a revenue based on impressions or clicks. Overlay ads. These are semi-transparent ads that appear at the bottom of your video. You earn revenue based on impressions and clicks. Mid-roll ads. These ads are inserted during longer videos and can be skippable or non-skippable. You earn revenue based on ad views and viewers engagement. Next one, channel membership. If your channel has over 30,000 subscribers, you can offer channel membership to your viewers. Channel membership allow viewers to become paying subscribers to your channel, gaining access to perks such as custom budgets, emojis, exclusive content, and members only live chat. You can set the monthly membership fee and offer different tiers with varying benefits. Next one is merchandise shelf. YouTube offer a feature called the merchandise shelf, which allow eligible channels to showcase and sell their branded merchandise directly below their videos. With approved merchandise partner or accessories to your viewers. This feature is available to channels with 10,000 subscribers. Please viewer, if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video.